you guys are here. So what is up YouTube, welcome back to the Technoboy, and today I'm gonna unbox this. It's a small package, you can see. It's a 2.1 home theater system. It's a mini but powerful one. This is it, you can see that. It looks very nice, and the model number is LK72BE. You can see that here, right here. So the box is not that heavy, and on this side you can see this is a sealed label from LG, and here all the details are there, the MRP, the import, and all the stuff. The MRP is 4990 and input wattage 9 watts, and voltage and frequency 200 to 240 and 50 or 60 hertz. So here are all the stuff you can see. Alright, so let's quickly open this thing and let's see how it looks. And this has a Bluetooth, you can see that here. So I bought this from Flipkart and it cost me $3,799. You can see that. Oh yeah, that was an offer, and it's a pretty good price. So yeah, let's keep that aside and let's open this thing. So, open sesame, and again the nuts, man. So this is it. This is a packing box, and at the top get the remote control. It's a tiny and nice one, and also the AAA batteries, and this is the power card. So let's take it out. So this is the one satellite speaker, and it's made out of hard plastic, and the impedance is 8 ohms, and you can see the model number at the back. Alright, so this is the orange color surround, which looks nice, and this is a cord here with a RCA jack for speaker input. And this is another one, the same, and here well, this is the big boy, which is not so big, but it looks nice, you can see. This is a 5.1 inch or something like that subwoofer, and here the display and the buttons are there, and well, at the bottom you can see these two designs look like air passing port. They're not actually port, they are just designed to make it looks nice. That's it, and it's completely sealed inside. So the port is here at the back. It's a bus reflex subwoofer, so the port is here, and this is the wire for FM antenna. These two are the input, and these two are the speakers output, and this is the power in. You see, that's it, pretty basic. And there is no manual bus control here. As you can see, there are electronic control buttons here for bus, and here for the volume, and also in the remote control, see the volume, this is the buttons for volume, and on this side these are controls for the bus. So that's a very nice thing. Well, this is the user manual, and you can see two models number are there, LK72B and LK72BE, as you can see. So they both are exactly same except the color. You can see the surround color here, it's orange. This is LK72BE, so this one's color is orange, and the LK72B, that one's color is red, the surround is red. So that's the basic difference between these two models, nothing else. Alright guys, so this was the unboxing video of this LG 2.1 home theater, which looks very nice and cute, and you heard a little bit of sound demo at the beginning, but later I'm gonna do it in details. There will be a lot of songs and music, so stay tuned for that, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.